Have you ever felt shy or scared to speak English? Do you worry about making mistakes? Do you feel stuck because your English is not perfect yet? If yes, this video is for you. Today, I will show you how to think big and speak English confidently, even if you are a beginner. By the end of this video, you will feel motivated and ready to speak English without fear. Hi, welcome to our channel. Learning English can change your life. It can open doors to new opportunities, help you make friends worldwide, and boost your confidence. But the first step is believing in yourself. Confidence comes from thinking big. Even if your English is not perfect, you can still speak confidently. Yes, mistakes will happen, and that is okay. Every mistake is a step closer to success. Why thinking big matters. Believe in your potential. Thinking big means believing in yourself. Don't limit yourself. If you tell yourself, "I am too weak to speak English," your brain will follow that. Instead, tell yourself, "I can learn, I can improve, I can speak English confidently." Set big goals. Small goals are good, but big goals give you energy and motivation. For example, instead of saying, "I want to learn 5 new words today," say, "I want to speak English fluently in 6 months." Big goals make you push harder and practice more. Dream about your success. Visualize yourself speaking English confidently. Imagine yourself talking to foreigners, giving a presentation, or getting your dream job. Visualization strengthens your belief and reduces fear. Overcoming fear of speaking. Accept mistake. Every English learner makes mistake. Even native speakers make mistake. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Don't be afraid to say a wrong word or pronounce it incorrectly. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Start small. You don't need to speak perfect English immediately. Start with short sentences. "Hello, my name is Sarah. I like reading books. I want to learn English." Gradually, your sentences will become longer and more confident. Speak daily. Confidence comes from practice. Even 10 minutes a day is enough to see improvement. Speak to yourself, your friends, or even your pet. The key is to speak English every day. Building vocabulary and confidence. Don't memorize too many words at once. Learn words and phrases you can use daily. Greetings. Good morning. How are you? Introductions. My name is Ellis. I am from Damascus. Everyday phrases. I like. I want to. Can you help me? These words will help you speak confidently in real situations. Use simple sentences. Beginners often try to speak with difficult sentences. Don't do that. Simple sentences are stronger and easier. Wrong. I am wanting to improve my English skills as fast as possible. Correct and simple. I want to improve my English fast. Practice speaking with yourself. Speak in front of a mirror or record your voice. Listening to yourself helps you notice mistakes and improve pronunciation. Think big. Speak boldly. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Don't feel jealous of others who speak better English. Focus on your progress. Use English in real life. Try to use English in daily activities. Ordering food in English, chatting with friends online, writing a journal in English. The more you use it, the faster your confidence grows. Positive mindset. Your mindset controls your confidence. Replace negative thoughts like, "I can't speak English," with positive thoughts, "I can speak English. I am improving every day." Motivation and daily routine. Morning motivation. Start your day with positive affirmations. I am confident in English. I can speak English fluently. Mistakes are steps to success. Daily practice routine. Here is an easy routine for beginners. 10 minutes, read a short English article or story. 10 minutes, speak sentences aloud or record yourself. 10 minutes, listen to English audio or watch short videos. Consistency is more important than duration. Celebrate small wins. Every new word you learn, every sentence you speak counts. Celebrate it. This builds motivation and confidence. Inspirational stories. Story 1. From beginner to fluent. There was a student named Rena. She couldn't speak English at all. She started speaking 10 minutes a day, learning new words and practicing sentences. After 6 months, she spoke confidently with foreigners and even gave a presentation in English. The secret? Thinking big and never giving up. Story 2. Overcoming fear. John was afraid of speaking English in public. He made many mistakes at first, but he continued practicing daily and never compared himself to others. One day, he spoke confidently at a seminar and felt proud of his progress. These stories show that anyone can improve English with confidence and practice.